Welcome to Ask the Lawyer, International Edition, the radio show that brings you the latest trends in immigrating to the United States. Hosted by attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This program is designed to provide valuable insights for those who wish to live, work, study, or invest in the U.S. Whether you're an international student seeking educational opportunities, an entertainer looking to break into the U.S. market, or a business owner wanting to expand your operations and tap into the vast U.S. economy, this show is for you. If you're an investor exploring options in the U.S. or someone with family or friends already living here, you won't want to miss the important information shared on Ask the Lawyer, International Edition. Each week, we dive into critical topics that help you navigate the complexities of U.S. immigration and business law. Special guests include experts in business development, elected officials supportive of immigration, business owners, and nonprofit leaders who provide real-world advice and guidance for those wanting to build a future in the U.S. The law firm of Figueroa and Associates was founded not only to serve our clients, but to contribute to the greater good. We understand the importance of helping individuals and businesses achieve their American dreams, and we are committed to providing the legal expertise and support needed to make that happen. So whether you're an entrepreneur looking to open a branch of your business in the U.S., an investor ready to explore opportunities, or someone hoping to migrate and build a new life in America, you should tune in and learn from this informative program. Ask the Lawyer. International Edition is your resource for understanding U.S. immigration trends, business opportunities, and legal strategies. Call now. For personalized legal advice, contact the experienced attorneys at Figueroa and Associates today. Our team is here to help you navigate the path to success in the U.S. Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer, International Edition with attorney Brian Figueroa. Visit us online at askthelawyer.us or call today to schedule your consultation.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Wills, Trust, Estate Planning. Client came in recently and she said she loves our show. And she came to the office because, obviously, she was intrigued, interested by the topics that we discuss. Wills, Trust, Estate Planning is extremely important. And the earlier in your lifetime that you can engage yourself in Wills, Trust, Estate Planning, you may have a more prosperous life. When do you begin to plan for tomorrow? And tomorrow, it doesn't creep, it runs. It comes there soon. Many people, they engage in Wills, Trust, Estate Planning when they're close to retirement. That's not good. That's not good at all. Whether you're single, a single mother, a married mother, a married father, a single father. Yes. Anytime you are earning money, have a family, and thinking about tomorrow, which will come very soon, you need to engage in Wills, Trust, Estate Planning. It will save you, obviously, taxes. You could invest your money more intelligently, understanding what equity mean in any assets that you have or you inherit, giving advice to your parents. All of these issues are important for wealth and for health. And is health wealth? These are important things that we ignore, especially when we come to America and we are from the Caribbean, Africa, Latin America. we could become a millionaire very quickly. Just owning a home, equity accruing in that home makes you a millionaire. But you may have money in equity and it earns nothing. It's just value sitting there that make you have you could invest in the stock market, you could invest with other properties, but we are not, Americanized enough, for want of a better word, as to what to do with that money. And even people who have lived their lives although their whole life in America neglect to plan, especially in our Caribbean, African American, Latino communities. We do not respect money as we should. We don't appreciate our own hard work that we do. And unfortunately, we don't think about tomorrow. So tomorrow is today and today is tomorrow. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Call the office now. Schedule a consultation on wills, trusts, and estate planning. It is important that you do so now if you love your children, if you love your parents, and more importantly, if you love yourself. Thank you. The website of the law firm of Figueroa & Associates is www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. If you have family in the United States of America, you could schedule a consultation with them together or individually at our website. Thank you.
If your spouse has overstayed their visa and you want to help them obtain a green card, we can help. The process of adjusting status can be complex, especially if there was an overstay. But the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, has the experience and expertise to guide you through it. Our team of immigration lawyers will assist you every step of the way, from filing petitions to representing you at interviews. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. Get the right legal help when it matters most. Are you an artist, band, or musician looking to perform in the United States but need help navigating the complex visa process? The law firm of Figueroa & Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to assist. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in entertainer visas, including P1, P2, and P3 visas. We'll guide you through every step, from securing a U.S. sponsor to filing the necessary petitions and preparing for your consular interview. With our legal expertise, we'll ensure that your visa application process is smooth and stress-free so you can focus on what you do best, performing. Schedule a consultation today at visiting www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845. Figueroa & Associates, your trusted partner in U.S. immigration law for entertainers.
Do you have a family member overseas that you want to bring to the United States? The law firm of Figueroa & Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to help. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in family-based green card petitions, guiding you step by step through the process to reunite you with your loved ones. Whether you're a U.S. citizen or a green card holder, we will ensure your petition is handled smoothly and efficiently. Plus, we can help you understand how filing for a green card may impact your relative's visitor visa. Schedule a consultation today. Visit askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to discuss your case with our skilled legal team. Figaro and Associates, your trusted partner in family immigration law.
Are you a religious worker looking to come to the U.S. to fulfill your mission? The law firm of Figaro and Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to help you navigate the complex R1 visa process. Whether you're a minister, missionary, or religious professional, our experienced immigration attorneys can assist with every step, from securing a U.S.-based sponsor to filing petitions with USCIS and preparing for your consular interview. Don't let the paperwork stand in the way of your spiritual calling. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to discuss your case with our legal team. Figaro and Associates, your trusted partner in U.S. immigration law for religious workers. Call Figaro and Associates today.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figaro, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figaro.
Working with your probate attorney at Figaro and Associates, remote and in-person convenience. Losing a loved one is an emotionally challenging experience, and dealing with the legal complexities of probate can make it even more overwhelming. The probate process involves validating a will, distributing assets, settling debts, and ensuring that all legal obligations are met. Navigating these legal matters requires expertise, which is why having a knowledgeable probate attorney is essential. At the law firm of Figaro and Associates, located at 26 Court Street, Brooklyn, New York 11242, you can receive expert legal guidance in handling probate matters. Whether remote or in person, the firm is dedicated to making the process as seamless and stress-free as possible, offering multiple ways for clients to connect, including online, by phone, or via text. Why you need a probate attorney? Probate law is intricate, and any mistakes can result in delays, legal disputes, and financial complications. A skilled probate attorney from Figaro and Associates ensures that the process runs smoothly by validating the will, confirming the legitimacy of the will and ensuring it complies with state laws, handling estate administration, managing asset distribution, paying off debts, and ensuring beneficiaries receive their rightful inheritance, resolving disputes, addressing conflicts that may arise among family members or other interested parties, minimizing legal challenges, avoiding common pitfalls that can lead to prolonged court proceedings, ensuring compliance with New York law. Probate laws vary by state, and working with an experienced local attorney ensures compliance with New York's legal requirements. Convenient ways to work with your probate attorney. Recognizing the diverse needs of clients, Figaro and Associates provides both in-person and remote legal services. Whether you prefer meeting face-to-face or handling legal matters from the comfort of your home, the firm accommodates your needs with professionalism and efficiency. 1. In-person consultations at the Brooklyn office. For clients who prefer a personal approach, visiting the firm's office at 26 Court Street, Brooklyn, New York 11242 allows direct engagement with an attorney. During an in-person consultation, you can discuss the details of the probate case, present important documents such as the will and financial records, receive clear, step-by-step legal guidance, ask questions and get immediate answers regarding estate administration. Meeting in person provides reassurance, especially when handling complex probate cases that require detailed discussions. 2. Remote legal services for your convenience. For those who prefer remote consultations due to distance, busy schedules, or health concerns, Figaro and Associates offers virtual and phone consultations. You can work with a probate attorney from anywhere, ensuring that legal matters are addressed without the need for travel. Remote services include phone consultations. Speak directly with an attorney by calling 888-768-8845. Asterisk virtual meetings. Conduct face-to-face discussions via video conferencing. Asterisk text support. Send questions and schedule appointments via text at 718-986-4362. Asterisk online appointment scheduling. Book a consultation at askthelawyer.us with just a few clicks. Remote services offer flexibility, ensuring that families can manage probate matters without unnecessary disruptions to their daily lives. The benefits of choosing Figaro and Associates. 1. Expertise in New York probate law. With years of experience in handling probate cases, the attorneys at Figaro and Associates possess in-depth knowledge of New York's probate regulations. They provide strategic legal solutions tailored to each client's situation. 2. Personalized legal guidance. Every probate case is unique, and the firm takes a personalized approach to each client's needs. Whether you are an executor of an estate or a beneficiary, you receive customized legal advice to ensure a fair and efficient probate process. 3. Hassle-free communication. The firm understands the emotional burden of probate and strives to make communication easy. Whether through in-person meetings, phone calls, texts, or virtual consultations, clients have multiple ways to stay informed and receive legal assistance. 4. Compassionate legal support. Dealing with probate can be stressful, especially while grieving a loved one. The attorneys at Figaro and Associates handle cases with empathy and professionalism, helping families through every stage of the process.
Schedule your consultation today. If you are facing probate-related legal matters, do not navigate the process alone. Figaro and Associates is here to help, offering both in-person and remote legal services for your convenience. To schedule an appointment, visit askthelawyer.us. Call 855-768-8845. Text 718-986-4362. Whether you need assistance validating a will, resolving disputes, or administering an estate, trust the experienced team at Figaro and Associates to provide the legal guidance you need.
Attention green card holders. Have you been outside the United States for more than a year? Are you holding an old green card without an expiration date? These situations can jeopardize your permanent resident status. At Figaro and Associates, we specialize in immigration law and can guide you through these complex issues. We are located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn. We are here to help you navigate the legal maze. Don't wait until it's too late. Call us today at 855-768-8845 to schedule a consultation. Protect your status and secure your future with Figaro and Associates. Figaro and Associates, your trusted partner in immigration law. Call 855-768-8845 now or visit askthelawyer.us to schedule an appointment today.
Attention immigration paralegals. Are you looking for an exciting opportunity to make a difference? Figaro and Associates, a respected Brooklyn law firm, is hiring an immigration paralegal to assist with case filings, legal research, and client support. If you had at least 2 years of experience and a passion for helping immigrants, we want you on our team. Competitive pay, career growth, and meaningful work await. Apply now by sending your resume. Visit askthelawyer.us for details. Your next career move starts here.
If your spouse has overstayed their visa and you want to help them obtain a green card, we can help. The process of adjusting status can be complex, especially if there was an overstay. But the law firm of Figaro and Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, has the experience and expertise to guide you through it. Our team of immigration lawyers will assist you every step of the way, from filing petitions to representing you at interviews. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. Get the right legal help when it matters most.
Hi, My name is Brian Anthony Figueroa, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figueroa.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa and Associates. For a consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
The risks of filing an improper or untimely divorce after receiving a green card through marriage. Divorce is a complex legal process, but it becomes even more complicated when one spouse has obtained a green card, permanent residency, through marriage. The timing of the divorce and how it is handled can have serious immigration consequences, including the potential loss of legal status and deportation risks. This article analyzes the dangers of filing an improper or untimely divorce when a spouse has received a green card through marriage, explaining how U.S. immigration laws handle divorce, the potential consequences, and ways to protect one's legal status. 1. How divorce affects a green card holder. When a non-U.S. citizen receives a green card through marriage, their immigration status is dependent on the legitimacy of the marriage at the time of approval. However, if a divorce occurs too soon or is not handled properly, it may raise red flags with U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, lead to denial of a permanent green card for conditional residence, increase the risk of deportation or removal proceedings. The impact of divorce depends on whether the green card is conditional or permanent. 2. Conditional versus permanent green cards. The biggest factor in determining the impact of divorce on a green card holder is whether the green card is conditional or permanent. A. Conditional green card, married less than 2 years at approval. If a marriage is less than 2 years old at the time a green card is approved, the non-citizen spouse receives a conditional permanent resident (CPR) card, valid for only 2 years. A joint petition, Form I-751, must be filed with USCIS to remove the conditions within 90 days before the green card expires. The couple must prove the marriage was legitimate and not fraudulent. If a divorce occurs before conditions are removed, the immigrant spouse must apply for a waiver to avoid losing their status. Key risk: if a divorce happens too soon after receiving a conditional green card, USCIS may suspect marriage fraud, leading to denial of the waiver and potential deportation. The permanent green card after 2 years of marriage. If a green card is issued after 2 years of marriage, it is valid for 10 years and is not conditional. Divorce does not automatically affect legal status but may impact naturalization, citizenship, applications. Key risk: if USCIS suspects that the marriage was fraudulent, it may still investigate and revoke the green card. 3. Dangers of filing an improper or untimely divorce. A. Filing for divorce too soon. If a divorce is filed shortly after receiving a green card, it raises suspicion with USCIS. Immigration officers may question whether the marriage was real or just for immigration benefits. If USCIS determines the marriage was fraudulent, the green card can be revoked and the immigrant may face deportation. B. Not filing Form I-751 properly. For conditional green card holders, if a divorce occurs before filing Form I-751, petition to remove conditions on residence, the immigrant must file a waiver request instead of a joint petition. Failure to properly apply for a waiver based on divorce can lead to green card denial and removal proceedings. Solution: if divorce is necessary, consult an immigration attorney before filing Form I-751. C. Attempting a fraudulent divorce. Some couples fake a divorce to manipulate immigration rules, such as trying to help the immigrant spouse stay in the U.S. while pretending to separate. USCIS can detect fraudulent divorces, leading to green card revocation and criminal penalties. Solution: always ensure divorce filings are legitimate and truthful. Divorce affecting U.S. citizenship applications. A permanent green card holder can apply for U.S. citizenship after 3 years if still married to the U.S. citizen spouse, 5 years if divorced. If a divorce occurs before the 3-year mark, the immigrant must wait 5 years instead of 3 to apply for citizenship. Risk: if USCIS suspects marriage fraud, it may deny citizenship or revoke residency. 4. Legal strategies to protect immigration status after divorce. A. Filing a waiver for conditional green card holders. If divorce occurs before removing conditions on a green card, the immigrant must file Form I-751 with a waiver, proving the marriage was entered in good faith, even if it later ended in divorce. The divorce was due to legitimate marital problems, not immigration fraud. Supporting evidence, such as joint bank accounts, leases, photos, and affidavits, should be provided. Tip: filing for a waiver early improves the chances of approval. B. Gathering strong evidence of a genuine marriage. To protect immigration status, document the legitimacy of the marriage with marriage certificates and joint financial documents, photos, travel records, and messages showing the relationship, testimonies from friends and family. Tip: even after divorce, maintaining evidence of a legitimate marriage helps prove the green card was not fraudulently obtained. C. Avoiding premature divorce. If possible, waiting until conditions are removed for CPR holders or citizenship is granted for permanent residents may reduce immigration risks. Tip: consult an immigration attorney before filing for divorce to explore legal options. 5. Can USCIS investigate a divorce? Yes, USCIS closely examines divorces involving green card holders, especially if they occur shortly after residency is granted. How USCIS detects fraudulent divorces. Interviews with both spouses during the green card process. Review of divorce timing. A sudden divorce may be suspicious. Examining financial and residential records for inconsistencies. Requests for additional evidence to confirm marriage legitimacy. Warning: if USCIS finds evidence of marriage fraud, the immigrant spouse can lose their green card and face deportation. 6. What if the U.S. citizen spouse threatens to report the divorce to USCIS? Some immigrant spouses experience abuse or threats from their U.S. citizen spouse, who may try to use their immigration status against them. Legal protection. Violence Against Women Act, VAWA, allows abused spouses to self-petition for a green card without relying on their spouse. Seeking legal help. Immigration attorneys can provide protection from threats. 7. Conclusion. Filing divorce properly to protect immigration status. Filing for divorce at the wrong time or without proper legal guidance can lead to green card denial, deportation, or delays in citizenship applications. Key takeaways. Divorce too soon after receiving a green card raises red flags. Conditional green card holders must file Form I-751 properly after divorce. Gather strong evidence that the marriage was legitimate to avoid fraud accusations. Consult an immigration attorney before filing for divorce to protect legal status. By filing for divorce properly and ensuring all legal requirements are met, immigrants can protect their right to stay in the U.S. and avoid unnecessary immigration consequences.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa and Associates. For a consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Divorce, separation, support, custody. The common factor? They keep you up at night. Sleep well, knowing that you have the law firm of Figaro and Associates on your side through this difficult time. Don't divorce your money. Don't divorce your children. Divorce your spouse. Whether it's a contested or uncontested divorce, the law firm of Figaro and Associates will guide you through every step of the process. From child custody to property and debt concerns, the law firm of Figaro and Associates has the experience and expertise in handling cases involving significant assets and complicated issues. A divorce can be one of the most unpleasant experiences a person ever has to go through. Don't do it alone. Stop the sleepless nights and call the law firm of Figaro and Associates, 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845, or visit 311divorce.com. That's 311divorce.com. At the law firm of Figaro and Associates, a divorce is not the end, it's a new beginning.
Are you applying for U.S. citizenship but facing complications? Under the Trump administration's harsh immigration policies, the process is tougher than ever, especially if you obtained your green card through marriage and later divorced. The government is scrutinizing applications, and a bitter ex-spouse could make things worse. At Figaro and Associates, we specialize in immigration law and will fight for your citizenship. We'll protect your rights, respond to government inquiries, and defend against false allegations. Don't let delays or denials stop your future. Call Figaro and Associates today at 855-768-8845 for a consultation. Visit us at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, New York, 11242. Your citizenship is too important to leave to chance. Let us fight for you. Figaro and Associates. Justice, integrity, results.
If your spouse has overstayed their visa and you want to help them obtain a green card, we can help. The process of adjusting status can be complex, especially if there was an overstay. But the law firm of Figaro and Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, has the experience and expertise to guide you through it. Our team of immigration lawyers will assist you every step of the way, from filing petitions to representing you at interviews. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. Get the right legal help when it matters most.
Are you a religious worker looking to come to the U.S. to fulfill your mission? The law firm of Figaro and Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to help you navigate the complex R1 visa process. Whether you're a minister, missionary, or religious professional, our experienced immigration attorneys can assist with every step, from securing a U.S.-based sponsor to filing petitions with USCIS and preparing for your consular interview. Don't let the paperwork stand in the way of your spiritual calling. Schedule a consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to discuss your case with our legal team. Figaro and Associates, your trusted partner in U.S. immigration law for religious workers. Call Figaro and Associates today.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figueroa, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figueroa.
A very warm welcome to everyone. We are joined by a very special guest, Pastor Robert Stewart of the Calvary Tabernacle in Hempstead, Long Island. Welcome, sir. Such a pleasure and honor to have you here with us.
It's great to be with you, Pearl.
Thank you so much. So, Pastor Stewart, if you could share your journey of faith, share the story of how your faith journey began and what inspired you to be a part of Calvary Tabernacle. What were some of the key challenges you faced?
Well, the thing about it is our Bishop Barrington Golson, he was a founder of our church. Mm-hmm. And he has been instrumental in my life over the years. I actually ended up being a part of Calvary, coming to school here in the 1992 as a student. I was actually a musician, and I was serving at the church for a period of time. And that went from being a musician to being music director, and then serving in terms of leading other areas of ministry. And it went from one thing to the next. And now here I am as a pastor of the church after 3 years. So I'm actually pastoring for 3 years now at the church, taking over from where he started. I'm so honored to be a part of the ministry that he founded with his wife, Joanne Golson, and we're excited about what God is doing in our community. In terms of challenges, well, as an immigrant coming to America, part of the challenge was really to set up roots here in our area and make impact in our community. And I'm so happy that God has helped us to really, truly be a blessing in our community and our area.
Okay, excellent. So, as the pastor of Calvary Tabernacle, you've seen your congregation grow over the years. What do you believe has been the most significant impact your church has had on the local community and beyond?
Well, I think we are truly a church that believes in influence. We have different areas of influence we've targeted. We've done food pantries. We have this event we do every year called Influence Day, where we feed the community. We give them book bags, free book bags, medical supplies. We are a lot about really servicing our community and making sure we're making an impact beyond just having church services. But one of our major impacts that we've made is we started the Academy Charter School. In 2009, our bishop had a real passion for our community because he saw that the kids coming to church could not read or write in middle school. Yes, in middle school. And he wanted to do something about it. So he, with some of our members and some of those in the community, started a board that would fund and would also begin to research how to start a charter school. And in 2009, we were approved and we started our own charter school that has become a tremendous blessing in our community. And now we're branching out to different areas around our area.
And I believe in Hosea says that our people are destroyed without knowledge.
Yes.
So what better way to start but with education?
Right. Education is the real key to impact in the community, because when you get the kids, when you change the trajectory, you change your community.
Exactly. So, looking at your leadership philosophy, obviously you are a spiritual leader. How would you describe your leadership philosophy, and how do you inspire both the congregation and the leadership team to assign with the vision of Calvary Tabernacle?
Right, because I'm now a continuing pastor, I pick up my bishop's leadership philosophy, which is you rise by lifting others. He has ingrained in our spirit that our lives are only meaningful when we impact and share what we know and our experiences with others. So another a philosophy he has is we're doing life together. Many times you want to believe that life is only meaningful when it's about me, myself, and I. But in our community, we realize that we as a combined community impact better when we're concerned, when we kind of work together, holding hands and ensuring that our brothers and sisters are growing as well.
Okay. So looking to the future, what are your hopes and aspirations for Calvary Tabernacle in the next 5 to 10 years? And how do you see the role of the church evolving in an ever-changing world?
Well, again, I am now a pastor taking the baton from the founder that started the church. And so I see my role as equipping the next generation. Empowering them, training them, letting them know that they have what it takes to take the baton and run with it and do great things in their generation. So much of my work now and for the next 5 to 10 years is to really equip strong young leaders that can take it and move it beyond what we could do with it, because God is a God of generations. He was with Abraham and then Isaac, and he moves forward and he does this work through many multiple generations. So if we in our generation, I'm 50, so if I don't take time to equip those young people behind me, then the message will die. So that's what I'm very passionate about. That's what I live my life to do.
Okay, so your organization, obviously, you all have made significant contributions to the community. And I believe you mentioned to me before that you were an immigrant. Yeah. And so what challenges did you face when you first arrived, and how has your experience shaped your approach to leadership and service, especially in supporting others from immigrant backgrounds?
Right. Well, our church, Calvary Tabernacle, has over 23 nations represented, but we have a large amount of people that come from the Caribbean, and in particular Jamaica, where I'm from. I came to this country at 6, And as my parents tried to carve out a place in this country, my father, Bishop Bobby Stewart, who was instrumental in my life, showed us through hard work and effort what it would take to really have a home, become an upstanding member of a community in our area, and also what it would take for us to really carve out our own American dream. So as we move forward, we're conscious about making sure that we are examples to those that follow behind us to say it can be done. Even in this climate that we're in right now, you can make it. You can become what you desire to become, and the dream of America is still possible.
Yes, and speaking about the American dream, and the Bible does teach us to be kind to immigrants, does your organization, the Calvary Tabernacle, have any special programs or support services for immigrants?
Because of all of these different changes with the new administration, we had a listening session in February to discuss what's going on, how to address it, what to do if you are approached or stopped. It was so overwhelming, the response that we got, the questions that we were asked, and the need that people expressed. A lot of people are scared right now, Pearl, and they need to know that there is hope, there is help, and we desire to be that help and hope that people are looking for.
Amen. So how can one get some more information if they want to be a part of your congregation, or support the church? How can they get some more information?
Well, we'd love to have many new friends come join us. We are in Hempstead, Long Island, which is right outside of Queens, New York. And our address is 78 North Franklin, Hempstead, New York. 11550. That's 78 North Franklin, Hempstead, New York, 11550. And we're close to the Hempstead train station if you want to do Long Island Railroad. Or you can find us on our website, www.cometocalvary.com. That's www.cometocalvary.com. We're on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Anywhere you can find us on social media, we are there.
All right. So thank you so much, spreading the word, right?
Yep.
Yes. So thank you so much, Pastor Stewart. It was such a pleasure speaking with you, and we look forward to having you back again.
Thank you so much for your time.
Our pleasure.
Are you an artist, band, or musician looking to perform in the United States but need help navigating the complex visa process? The law firm of Figaro and Associates, located in Brooklyn, New York, is here to assist. Our experienced immigration attorneys specialize in entertainer visas, including P1, P2, and P3 visas. We'll guide you through every step, from securing a U.S. sponsor to filing the necessary petitions and preparing for your consular interview. With our legal expertise, we'll ensure that your visa application process is smooth and stress-free so you can focus on what you do best, performing. Schedule a consultation today at visiting www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845. Figaro and Associates, your trusted partner in U.S. immigration law for entertainers.
Attention green card holders. Have you been outside the United States for more than a year? Are you holding an old green card without an expiration date? These situations can jeopardize your permanent resident status. At Figaro and Associates, we specialize in immigration law and can guide you through these complex issues. We are located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn. We are here to help you navigate the legal maze. Don't wait until it's too late. Call us today at 855-768-8845 to schedule a consultation. Protect your status and secure your future with Figaro and Associates. Figaro and Associates, your trusted partner in immigration law. Call 855-768-8845 now or visit askthelawyer.us to schedule an appointment today.
Baby boomers, thinking about using your home equity to pay for long-term care? Think twice. Reverse mortgages, home sales, and large cash withdrawals can lead to financial disaster, Medicaid disqualification, and loss of inheritance. Instead of risking your future, speak with a wills, trust, and estate planning attorney at Figaro and Associates. Their expert legal team helps seniors protect assets, plan for Medicaid eligibility, and find safer financial solutions. Don't make a decision that could cost you everything. Call 855-768-8845 today to schedule a confidential consultation, or visit askthelawyer.us to book online. That's 855-768-8845. Secure your future, because smart planning today means a better tomorrow.
Are you a lawyer with a degree from the Caribbean who dreams of practicing law in New York? The path to becoming licensed in the U.S. can be challenging, but Figueroa and Associates is here to help. Located in Brooklyn, New York, our team specializes in guiding foreign-trained lawyers through the bar admission process. From prudential evaluation and additional legal education to bar exam preparation and fulfilling pro bono requirements, we're with you every step of the way. Let us help you turn your ambition into reality. Visit us at www.askthelawyer.us or call 855-768-8845 to schedule a consultation. Don't let the complexities of the U.S. legal system hold you back. Contact Figueroa and Associates today.
Hi, my name is Brian Anthony Figueroa, and you are listening to Ask the Lawyer with my father, Brian Figueroa.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Religious petitions, immigration, yes. There are so many different churches in America representing people of color. And those churches are entitled to petition for religious workers. Every year, there's a quota of 10,000 green cards. However, that quota is never exhausted, which means you churches out there, you religious organizations, you are not using this special immigrant visa to bring your fellow religious leaders from the diaspora, the African, the Latino diaspora. So whether it be Latin America, Africa, the Caribbean, wherever, if you have an organized church, you can petition for religious workers from those countries to help you do your job here in America, which is spreading the word of God. Yes. And we know God has different, meanings, but U.S. immigration law does not, discriminate against any particular religion. So we're talking about all religious organizations that are 501c3 approved, meaning they are a bona fide nonprofit. So if you are a religious leader and you want to bring that pastor, evangelist, organist, whatever it is that is categorized as a religious worker, no non-religious work, please, and you want to bring that person to America, give us a call. And we will work with you to bring that person or persons to America so that God's word would be, properly taught. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share with your religious leaders, churches, synagogue, whatever your religion. It's 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Many religions established in the United States of America or imported from other countries, they have the right to religious freedom in America. And obviously sometimes the big guy or lady who really understands and can motivate people to God, they are what in other countries. But you could bring them here. You could get them a green card. You could bring their families here so that they could make a transition to America in a much needed leadership position. Again, the number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our website, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.
Have you or a loved one received a notice to appear, or NTA, to face immigration court? Don't face this alone. Deportation is not the end of the story. There are defenses available to protect your rights and your future. Join Figueroa and Associates for a free seminar to learn how to challenge NTAs and defend against deportation. Led by experienced immigration attorneys, this seminar will cover essential topics like procedural challenges, cancellation of removal, derivative defenses, and recent case law developments. Figueroa and Associates is here to fight for you. With over 25 years of experience in immigration law, our team is dedicated to helping immigrants protect their rights and stay with their families. Register for the seminar today at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. Don't wait. Seats are limited. Call us at 855-768-8845 or 718-222-3155 for more information. Again, that's 855-768-8845 or 718-222-3155. The law firm of Figueroa and Associates, located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, Brooklyn, New York. Your future is worth fighting for.
Attention entrepreneurs and international businesses. Are you looking to expand your business into the US or protect your small business legally? Look no further than Figueroa and Associates in Brooklyn, New York. Our International Trade and Global Business Division helps foreign companies navigate US regulations, register businesses, and recover outstanding debts. Meanwhile, our Small Business Solutions Division offers expert legal advice on business formation, contracts, employment law, and tax compliance, helping you avoid costly mistakes. Don't take legal risks with your business. Protect your future with Figueroa and Associates. Schedule your consultation today at www.askthelawyer.us or call us at 855-768-8845. We are located at 26 Court Street, Suite 701, downtown Brooklyn, New York. Small Business Solutions, helping business expand.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.
This show is a production of IQ Inc. Marketing. If you would like to advertise your product or service on this show to the U.S. and Caribbean markets and through our multicultural publications in New York, please call 866-435-3286 or send an email to info@myiqinc.com.
Thank you for listening to Ask the Lawyer International Edition with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates in New York. We hope you enjoyed the show, which featured immigration visitors visa, starting and doing business in New York, entertainment and business visas, religious visas, and much more. Whether you are outside the U.S. or have family in New York, the number to call, share, and keep is 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Please schedule a consultation with us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer, International Edition. You have questions? We've got the answers.